What it do, it's your boy NoPlayingDinero tapping in with another video. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. And when you lose all your dollars, that's when you lose your sense. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you smash that subscribe. Let's get it. Do what it do, what it do. It's your boy NoPlayingDinero tapping in with another viral video. It's about time we get to the juice. Our latest breaking news out of the Young Thug case. So today we got your boy Young Thug and the RICO case. It's been a minute since we broadcast any content on Young Thug. So we're going to try and break this down as quickly, as fast, and as precise as I can. Hip Hop Madness 803. Your boy NoPlayingDinero tapping in. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Make sure you share. Help the channel grow. We was already over 198,000 views, over 1,200 subs, and YouTube took it upon themselves to stop my algorithm and start me over. So make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe. Young Thug statement on Lil Wayne tour bus shooting deemed admissible in YSL RICO trial. If you don't know what admissible meaning they can use his statement. Even though he wasn't even charged with the Lil Wayne bus shooting, he still can be used. His words still can be used as evidence in that case. Young Thug has hit a minor setback in his ongoing RICO case. Prosecutors will be able to use an old interview about the Lil Wayne tour bus shooting against him. The decision rendered by Judge Earl Glenville on October 12th ruled that Fulton County prosecutors will be able to use a long conversation Thug had with authorities in July 2015. The talk stemmed from an investigation into an August 2015 shooting of Lil Wayne's tour bus. Thug was in custody at the time after being arrested for an unrelated incident. Thug was ultimately never charged for the Wayne-related shooting. His talk with authorities about the tour bus situation lasted for 2 hours. If you wasn't involved with it, why would you even talk to him, Thug? You know, when they ask you a question about, hey, man, this, that, and the third, man, you see, one thing people got to understand, you got to stop talking so much when the police got you in that room. Because everything in that room, just like they tell you, could be used against you in the court of law. Understand, he ain't even got charged in that case. Just some of the stuff he said, talking to the police about the shooting. I would have told him, hey, look, I don't know a goddamn thing about this shooting. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? So you can ask me a million goddamn questions, but I ain't got to tell you nothing. Young Thug attorney attempt early this month to get the results of that talk declared inadmissible. Which means, for those who don't understand, means that they couldn't use it for Thug's upcoming RICO trial, arguing that the interview was with law enforcement violate Thug's right to counsel and statements he gave were not voluntarily made. Shit, he went in there and he said it out of the mouth. You know they gave him Miranda rights. You got the right to remain silent. Anything you say or will do, you know, that bullshit. Understand what I'm trying to tell you? But this is what the judge said. Glenville disagreed. He ruled that Thug didn't actually have a right to counsel in that situation because even though he was in police custody, he hadn't been charged in a crime the authorities were asking him about. Yeah. So you getting asked about a crime that you ain't been charged with and you still decide to talk about it? Oh yeah, I fought Thug for that. I fought Young Thug for that all day long, my nigga. If I'm in a room and I know I ain't committed a crime, or if I ain't know they ain't got no connection to me with a crime, why the fuck would I talk about that crime and what I know about it? I don't know shit about it. Charge me. Because Williams was not charged and because no jurisdictional proceeding had commenced against Williams with respect to the April 26, 2015 shooting about which he was questioned, this court found that Williams' questioning was not in violation of his rights to counsel. Because Williams had not been charged for the tour bus shooting in Cobb County, his rights to counsel had not yet attached and in fact never did attach because Williams was never charged for those specific charges. The judge wrote, according to this court finds that Williams' right to counsel had not attached as to the April 26, 2015 incident about which he was questioned. In addition, because no jurisdiction proceedings had been initiated involving the April 26, 2015, this court found that Williams had no constitutional right to counsel as to any questioning about that incident. The judge also ruled that Thug orally waived his Miranda rights, which said, okay, once you start talking after you get Miranda rights, goddamn it, you waive that. You know what I'm saying? Was significant despite the fact that he hadn't signed a Miranda waiver. The court found that because Williams orally waived his Miranda rights before speaking with Detective Rousey and Agent Cunningham, Williams' statement to them was voluntary and thus admissible. Glanville continued. You can read Glanville's decision in the entirety below. So let's look at this paperwork. Yep, that was his decision. Indictment came down on Thug. Basically what they saying is anything he said about the Lil Wayne situation, even though he wasn't charged with shooting up the Lil Wayne tour bus, they still gonna use his statement against that. The police got him in the room when he was incarcerated, asked him about that, which they wasn't going to charge him, and he talked about it. So that was on Young Thug Jeffrey Williams the whole time. The Wild Cell case is still in jury selection phase. It is likely to become the longest running criminal case in Fulton County history. John got his status. It's your boy NoPlayingDinero tapping in with the lady breaking hip-hop news. The story was provided by Hip Hop DX. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you do what you got to do to make sure your life going in order. Let's go. It's up.